Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to contact QuickBooks support, grant your accountant access, or reinstall QuickBooks, you know how crucial your license number is. But finding it can be tricky, especially with all the updates. Don't worry, by the end of this quick video, you'll know exactly where to find your QuickBooks license number in less than 5 minutes. Let's get right into it. First, open your QuickBooks application on your computer. You can do this by simply clicking the QuickBooks icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once QuickBooks launches, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click Sign In. Enter your email address and password linked to your QuickBooks account. And here's a pro tip. If you use a password manager, this step becomes much faster and more secure. After logging in successfully, look toward the top menu bar and click on Settings. This is where you can manage most of your company information and preferences. Now, under the Settings menu, select Additional Info. This is the key section. Here you'll find your company ID, which is your official QuickBooks license number. Once you have it, make sure to record it somewhere safe, either in a secure digital note or by printing it out and storing it physically. Finally, click OK to exit the menu without making any changes. And that's it. You've just found your QuickBooks license number in under 5 minutes. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment if there's another feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.